Hello guys, welcome back to Sir Cave Review channel, and today I'm gonna review this 164 scale jeepney which is made in the Philippines. Before that, please hit the subscribe, like, and share this video, and let's get started. So this jeepney was locally made in the Philippines. So the reason why there's jeepney in the Philippines, which is Philippine transport, is because of the American War during the 1940s. So here is the story. So in the Philippine jeepney is a Filipino innovative of the GI surplus jeep during the 1940s. The weapons vehicle was the answer the country's scarcity of transportation after the war. It has the same strong engine of a US Army Jeep, but it was retired and converted into a public utility vehicle. A typical jeepney would usually accommodate 20 to 30 commuting passengers. The result was a time-enduring vehicle with the remarkable combinations of a Filipino um, ingenuity and creativity in the midst of the post-war crisis. In terms of appearance, no jeepney is um, on its bodies and even in the vehicle's interior. Even single one has its own unique design and it's usually given touches often reflective of a common man's settlements of time. Today, the Philippine jeepney is the most popular means of transportation like in the Philippines. It is proof of Filipinos' world-renowned ability to produce efficient technology from scrap to machinery and limited to financial resources. Truly, jeepneys have become the country's symbol of adaptation to global influence and change. So this is the story of a Philippine jeepney until today. So guys, we're about to open this Philippine jeepney. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is the Philippine jeepney that is a pullback vehicle. I mean, sorry. So this jeepney, it has no destination name, but it's only Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So the reason why they put Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao is because they think that this jeepney might go somewhere out of town. They can take a picture of it, because if they put like let's say from Tanay to Pasig, like when some people are bring this unit with the Tanay and Pasig says here, like they're gonna go to like somewhere in Quezon province, or in other province of the Philippines. Like they're asking, it's actually awkward, you know. So this is why they put Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It's just not to make it awkward. So here what is the jeepney of the Philippines as it looks like until today. But I chose the gold color because it's actually looking wealth when it comes to gold color. Okay, no judgment. It's also same as old 5 peso coin, which is the 5 peso bill. Just simple as that. So okay, I'm gonna review the jeepney right now. So here I chose the gold color, so it's just same unit. Actually when I saw there's green, there's red, there's blue, there's yellow, I think. So that's what I saw in the jeepney store in Toys R Us, Robinson's Magnolia. So I'm gonna show you the roof now of the jeepney. So this is the Philippine jeepney, Philippine flag, and there's also name Philippines. Okay, so what's the detail of this product? They didn't put anything. Okay, so the reason why they didn't put anything here is because I think some people wants to design on their own, and they're gonna put some birds there, just gonna put some Mitsubishi Lancer Evo, whatever. Yeah, and it's up to the person who bought the vehicle on what he or she can design here, especially on the wheels. For the wheels, I can say that, I can say that they didn't put any colors. That's what I'm gonna say here. It's actually okay because some jeepneys have only black colored wheels. So for others, they are silver. They can put yellow. They can put white. Well, it depends on the jeepney's style, on whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, so here, this is the Philippine jeepney original color. So I'm gonna stay focus. Okay, Philippine jeepney. So it's just the same here. Okay, no pictures, logos, or whatever. Just this one. Okay. So I'm also gonna give shout outs to the creators of the jeepney, of the manufacturer of the jeepney, which is J&J Pinoy Crafter. So I would give a shout out to you, and whenever you can contact your emails. So here is the email: philsouvenirs at gmail.com. Product specifications and colors may, it's blocking here. Okay, so this is what I got. It's reflecting. Then diecast pullback action. So what do you mean by pullback is this one. When you push it back, then it goes around like that. Okay, so I'm gonna get back. So okay, so here, a friendly reminder from J&J Crafters. Warning. Choking hazards. Contain small parts. Not for children under 3 of age. So here, I would like to say thank you J&J Crafters for building this miniature jeepney. I would say this jeepney is 10 out of 10 because it's the national transportation of the Philippines. So thank you J&J Crafters. And I'm about to end this video, and please like, share, subscribe this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you for watching, and have a great day.